Oh, hey, come over here. Just got something straight from Clickbank. It says fragile, handle with care. Let's see what this is. I'm just gonna open this. Let's see what it is. It says, I am Clickbank Platinum. Now you may wonder what this is. Let's take a look even further. So right in here, we got a box that says Platinum 2019. It's a really nice box. Let me throw this box away, see what's in here. So it's Platinum 2019 by Clickbank. Let's open this up. Empowering entrepreneurs, and there's obviously a letter saying that you are an elite marketers of Clickbank and digital marketing industry. On behalf of everyone at Clickbank, I want to congratulate for this fantastic achievement. And look what we have. A complete plaque saying Platinum 2019 Clickbank. Now you might be wondering, what is so special about this plaque? Well, first of all, in order for you to actually even get this plaque, you have to do at least $250,000 in gross sales with Clickbank. And this actually proves to you that right here, this. Not a lot of people actually get this in the entire world, and the reason why I'm able to actually get such plaque is really, first of all, thanks to all you guys, and most importantly, it's really because of my businesses, giving the ability to actually generate traffic, to actually run offers, and also have offers on Clickbank. And if you have never actually ran a promotion with Clickbank, I do have to say, you definitely want to check it out. They are the pioneer to digital products, and if you are wanting to crack the affiliate marketing space, Clickbank is definitely the one that you want to actually focus on, because they're the #1 digital publishing network for affiliate marketers. I know a ton of people making millions of dollars a year with just Clickbank alone. Now, if you want to actually learn more about these and to actually get the education to actually potentially maybe get a plaque like this in the future, definitely go to my website at iProacademy.com and create an account. We have a lot of free courses there for you to actually get started, and I'm going to actually create more free courses and obviously continue to create content to continue to educate every single one of you. So again, I'm very proud that I am now part of the Clickbank Platinum Network, which I have been for years, but this time they actually sent a plaque, and again, I want to actually see you inside this network in the future. And all it requires for you to actually gain the education that you need, and at iPro Academy, you can actually get all the information that you need to know in order for you to build a successful online business. All right, so again, I'm gonna put this up somewhere, and again, hope to actually see you 1 year getting to something like this right under your name. All right, so I'm gonna enjoy taking a look at this, and I'll talk to you later.